Main shaft assembly procedure. Hold the main shaft using special tool clamping device so that the coupling flange is facing upwards. Install the reverse gear needle roller bearing. Lubricate the needle roller bearing. Install the reverse gear drive wheel dog teeth facing towards top of the synchronizer pack. Lubricate the synchronizer ring. Install reverse gear synchronizer ring to the main shaft. Install first and reverse synchronizer hub. Gently tap the hub evenly for proper seating. Install the new snap ring in the first and reverse synchronizer hub. Install the first and reverse synchronizer sliding sleeve along with the 3 numbers key and spring in the hub. Match the sliding sleeve and the slot in the hub for proper fitment of keys and springs. Carefully install the new springs along with pins in all the highlighted locations. Install the first gear synchronizer ring. Lubricate the synchronizer ring. Install the first gear needle roller bearing. Install the first gear wheel. Make sure the long collar of the drive wheel is pointing downwards in the synchronizer ring. Install the thrust washer. Rotate the main shaft and fix it upside down. Lubricate the needle roller bearing. Install the second gear drive wheel facing upwards. Lubricate the synchronizer ring. Install the second gear inner synchronizer ring. Install the second gear center synchronizer cone. Lubricate the synchronizer ring. Install the second gear outer synchronizer cone. Install the second and third synchronizer hub. Gently tap the hub evenly for proper seating. Install the new snap ring in the second and third synchronizer hub. Install the second and third synchronizer sliding sleeve along with the 3 numbers key and spring in the hub. Match the sliding sleeve and the slot in the hub for proper fitment of keys and springs. Carefully install the new springs along with pins in all the highlighted locations. Install third gear outer synchronizer ring. Lubricate the synchronizer ring. Install third gear center synchronizer cone. Lubricate the synchronizer ring. Install the third gear inner synchronizer ring. Lubricate the roller bearing. Install the third gear drive wheel to the main shaft. Install the third gear needle roller bearing. Install the spacer to third gear drive wheel. Install the new snap ring to the third gear drive wheel using snap ring plier. Remember, use the new snap ring and don't interchange. Lubricate the roller bearing. Install the fourth needle roller bearing. Install the fourth gear drive wheel. Install the fourth synchronizer outer ring. Install the synchronizer hub. Install the new snap ring using snap ring plier. Install the synchronizer sliding sleeve along with 3 numbers key and spring. Match the sliding sleeve and the slot in the hub for proper fitment of keys and springs. Install the fifth synchronizer outer ring. Heat the pilot bearing sleeve to 100 degree using induction heater and install it over the main shaft. Install the new snap ring to the pilot bearing sleeve using snap ring plier. Lubricate the pilot bearing seating sleeve. Install the pilot bearing. Install the input shaft along with the bearing and fifth gear drive wheel to the main shaft. Clamp the main shaft and counter shaft together using special tool. Hold the main shaft and counter shaft. Place the bearing retainer plate on top of the main shaft and counter shaft bearings. Place the shift fork and shift rail on the main shaft. Insert first and reverse gear shift fork wear pads. Straight opening should face towards the sliding sleeve and the curvature portion facing towards the fork. Insert 4th and 5th gear shift rail along with fork. Tie the shift rails together to prevent the dislocation. Hold the main shaft assembly using special tool, hook. Lift the main shaft and counter shaft assembly using suitable crane.